like me?
You don't like
You
me?
don't, you don't,
You don't like me?
Yeah, I like
you don't, you,
You're also pure. You're also pretty, beautiful.
Ina, thank you.
thank you. You're my favorite, my niece. My niece is Island.
My niece is Wafut.
What's that?
Ina, she's minor.
She is minor. I'm 18, 17.
17.
I'm 17 years old. 17 years old. I'm 33 years old. Paano sa nimong
I'm
pag-umangkon?
50 years old.
Ataging Facebook ni Aileen.
Ina, do you like me?
What are you doing?
Watch TV.
What are you doing? You look at your my...
Watching TV.
What time
Oh,
is there right
Ina, me, I'm catering my mother.
Where?
What time is
What time is...
There.
There is not right now.
Almost 11 a.m.
Look.
Look, where are you from?
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Denmark.
What?
Denmark.
Denmark.
Denmark. Denmark?
Denmark.
Ina, nice country. Nice country.
Nice country. Country, so beautiful.
Yes.
Ina, are you married?
I'm a married.
Are you?
Are you?
Are you?
Are you married? Are you married?
No daw. I'm your married. Ina, why?
Why? Why? Because-
I'm not married. That's all.
Now, do you have kids?
You answer?
Do you?
have kids?
Do you have?
Okay.
Do you have kids? Kids?
Do you have kids?
Do you have kids?
No.
Okay.
No.
Ina, why? You're so handsome. Ina.
Where's my handsome?
Why?
Why are you handsome?
Ina, my English is not good. Ina, my English is not good.
My English is not good.
Little.
See a little English
Because
because
this is not my language.
this is not my language.
This is not my language.
This is my
This is
not is my language. Small,
Small like
very small. My English. Hi, hello. What is your
Okay.
name? How old are you?
Sobra naman ka.
Ikaw na sa tawa na nag-work.
Ay,
Do you have work?
Yan siya.
Are you working?
Sige nga. Ow.
Ow, ow. Are you working?
are you working?
Are you working? Are you working in my house? New house?
No.
No.
No. Yung sa English na nasa sa balay ba?
Are you at home?
Are you at home?
Are you
Where are you at home? Sige nga, sige.
Are you at home?
Where?
Are you at home?
Are you at
Mama, yes
at
na. Mama.
Okay. Sorry. Because my ears are very really old. You asking joking.
Asking joking.
Asking joking. So very guapo.
Very good.
You're so handsome.
Sige.
Handsome.
Mana, ay na.
Ano yung lagi niya, Day? Kita mo sa Illinois brand na.
Ina, do you like me? Ina.
Do you like me?
Oh, Ina.
Do you like me?
Or you don't like me, so Ina.
No.
Or
Do
I
you
niece.
like me?
Or my niece.
Do you like me?
Or no.
Or my niece.
Or
No, my niece.
Or
Or
my
my
niece.
niece. On my niece.
Or my.
Or my niece.
Or shoulder. Shoulder on my
You
head.
like your phone?
Isa daw? Sorry.
I love you all the
What? What? Kanang ibabalik mo siya na.
I like your phone.
I like you both. But na sa inyo ha.
Ina,
Kaya
thank
sa
you.
English, pag
Ina, thank you. Thank you. Ina.
Thank you. Di ba, kapilihan na ko ba sa iya?
So who do you like most? Who do you like most? Who do you like most?
Oh.
Who do you like most?
Who do you like most?
No.
No?
No most?
I don't know what it is.
I don't know you.
I don't know. It's first time I see you both. I think.
See the truth. That's an hour.
Hindi mo. Wala sila ng duha.
What? What?
Pagkapin.